everyone, welcome back to today's online session of grade 2nd. Okay children, welcome back to today's online session of grade 2nd. Hope you all are doing well with your online studies. Hope you all are using wisely your time in doing studies. Okay children, I wanted to thank those children who are sending me such a beautiful homework. You are doing very good job, very good children who are sending me such a beautiful homework. I wanted to thank them. Okay, I am very thankful for them for sending the homework for me. You are doing very good job children. Okay, in today's class, what we are going to do children? What we are going to do in today's class? Yes, we are going to do today alphabetical order. Okay children. For this you need to take your second standard textbook. We are going to learn today grammar part. Lesson behind grammar part. Okay children. You have to open grammar part page number 48. Okay children, you need to open page number 48 from your grammar part. Okay, you need to open page number 48. So in today's class we are going to do the alphabetical order. We are going to learn alphabetical order. Okay children. So what do you mean by alphabetical order? You have learnt in the first standard grade, isn't it? So what do you mean by alphabetical order children? Yes, when the words are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay children, when the words are arranged in proper order. Okay, in the proper sequence. When the words are arranged in proper sequence, in proper order, according to the alphabet. According to the alphabet A to Z. Okay children, alphabetical order is the arrangement of letters. Alphabetical order is the arrangement of letters in the proper order, means proper sequence, according to the alphabet, means according to alphabet A to Z alphabets. Okay children, alphabetical order is the arrangement of the letters according to the alphabet A to Z. Okay children, so what do you mean by alphabetical order? Yes, alphabetical order is the arrangement of the letters according to the alphabet A to Z. Okay children, we are arranging the words in alphabetical order. So here we have some example for alphabetical order children. Here we have ant, bear, cat, deer, elephant and frog. So look at the first letter of all the words which I have written on the board. Look at the first letter children. Look at the first letter. So here all the first letters are arranged in alphabetical order. They have consecutive to each other. They come one, exactly one. See, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay children, they come exactly one after one, means they are consecutive to each other. So this arrangement of the words according to the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F are known as alphabetical order. Here we are arranging the words according to the alphabet in proper order. We are arranging the words in proper order according to the alphabet they begins. Okay children, here A after B, B after C, C after D. Look at the first letter of these words. D after E, E after F. So these A, B, C, D, E and F are consecutive to each other. They come exactly one after one. A after B, B after C, C after D, D after E, E after F. They come exactly one after one, means they are consecutive to each other. So what do you mean by alphabetical order? The arrangement of the letters according to the arrangement of the letters in proper order according to the alphabet. Here we have arranged the words according to the letter. This starts with the alphabetical order. Okay children, here we are using this alphabetical order in the school register. Okay children, in school register we are writing the names of the students in alphabetical order. Okay, in the school register whenever we are taking the attendance, we write the name of the students in alphabetical order. Okay, the name of the students which starts from the A we write in the first, then B. The name of the students which start from B we write after A. Okay children, like this we write the register in alphabetical order. We also use the alphabetical order in telephone dictionary. Okay, the telephone directories and word dictionary. Okay children, if we want to find out the meaning of the particular word, we have to see the alphabetical order in the dictionary. So if we want to search the word meaning, particular word meaning, so we have to see in the dictionary which is comes in alphabetical order. Okay children, dictionaries are found in alphabetical order. School registers, telephone dictionaries and word dictionaries are found in alphabetical order. Okay children, so alphabetical order is the arrangement of the letters in proper order according to the alphabet A to Z. Okay children, so here we are using alphabetical order in school registers, telephone directories and word dictionaries. Okay children, now let us take out the page number 48. Okay children, take out your page number 48 from your textbook. Open page number 48 from your textbook. Here page number 48, there is one question. So let us solve the first question. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. So here we have the first question. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Okay children, so here we have the words 1, 2, 3, children, arrange the words in alphabetical order. So here there is one gap, children, so you have to write the words in alphabetical order. So here, look at the first letter of all the words. Okay children, first what you are going to do, you have to look out the first letter of all the words. So here we have O in the one, T in the two, F, S, E, 9. Okay children, so here O, T, F, S, E, N. So in these letters, which letter comes first in the alphabet, children? Which letter comes first in the alphabet? E. Okay. So we have to write E, A here in the first. Okay children. Which letter comes first? E. And which letter comes after E? F. So this will be second. After F, which letter comes, children? After F, which letter comes? N. Okay children, it is not necessary that all the letters come exactly one. Okay, it is not necessary that they are consecutive to each other. Okay, it is not necessary that they can come exactly one after one. Okay, here N will not come exactly after F, so it is not necessary, children. So here after N, which letter comes, children? Yeah, O. After O, S. After S, T. So here like this we have to write. So here which will be the first one, children? E. Means A. We have to write here A. We are now arranging the letters in alphabetical order. Which letters come first in the alphabet? E. After E, which letter comes? F. So which is the second one? 4. After F, which letters come, children? N. So what we have to write? 9. In alphabet, E comes first, F after comes E, N after comes F. Okay children, after N, which letter will come? O. So here we have to write 1. After O, which letter comes, children? Yes. So what we have to write here? 6. After S, which letter comes? T. So what we have to write? 2. Okay. So like this, we have to arrange the letters in alphabetical order. Okay children, it is not necessary that they come exactly one. Okay, one after one. Here, yeah, after F, N will not come exactly F, children. Okay, so it is not necessary they are consecutive to each other. Some words, some letters will be consecutive and some are not in consecutive. Here in these words, the letter are not consecutive. They are not coming exactly one after one. Okay, here N is not coming exactly after F. Okay children. So in alphabet, first comes E, then F, then N, then O, then S, then 2, then T. Okay, E, F, N, O, S, T. So this is the arrangement of the words in alphabetical order. Okay children, now we have arranged the words in alphabetical order. We have to arrange the words according to the letters they starts with. So here E comes first in the alphabet, A to Z alphabets. F comes after E, N comes after F, O comes after N, S comes after O, T comes after S. So here the arrangement of the letters in a proper order according to the alphabet is known as alphabetical order. It is not necessary they come exactly one after one. Okay children, sometimes the letters are comes exactly one after one. Sometimes they will not come exactly one after one. Okay, sometimes they are consecutive to each other, sometimes they are not consecutive to each other. Here in these words the letters are not consecutive to each other. They are not coming exactly one after one. E comes exactly, F comes exactly after E, but N cannot come exactly after F. So here these are not consecutive to each other. Okay children. So you have to write this in your textbook. Okay children. Look at the following examples. Look at the following examples children. Look at the following examples they have given in the textbook. 2, 3 and 10. Okay children, in this case look at these words. Look at the beginning letter of these words. Here also T. In this word also is there T. Here there is a T. In 3 words there is all the letters are starting from T. Okay children, when we are arranging the words in alphabetical order, if the first beginning letter is same, then we have to move on to the second letter. Okay children, while arranging the words in the alphabetical order, if the first letter is same, then we have to move to the second letter. If the second letter is same, we have to move on to the third letter and so on. Okay children, while arranging the words in alphabetical order, if the starting letter is same, see here in these words T, T, T. In all the words the starting letter is same. So in such cases we have to look at the second letter. Okay children, in such cases we have to look at the second letter. So here which are the second letter? Here W, H and E. Okay children, while we are arranging the words in alphabetical order, if the beginning letter is same in all the words, see here T, T, T. All the beginning letters are same in the words. While arranging in alphabetical order, if the beginning letter is same, then we have to look at the second letter. So here the second letter are different. Okay. So here we have W, here we have H and here we have E. So now we have to arrange these words according to the second letter. So in alphabetical order, which letter comes first children? E. So E letter comes first in alphabets. After E, which letter comes? H. So after H, which letter comes? W. So according to this, we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So E. Where is E? Here in the 10 words. So we have to write first here 10. Then after second one H. So in alphabet the second letter is H. After E, which letter comes? H. So here we have to write tree. So after H, which letter comes in alphabet, children? W. It is not necessary that they come one exactly one. Okay. It is not necessary that they are consecutive to each other. They come exactly one after one. Here H will not, W will not exactly come after H. They are not here consecutive to each other, children. So after 3, after H, which letter comes? W. So W, where is W, children? In 2 words. So here we have to write 2. So here now we have arranged these words in alphabetical order. If the starting beginning letter is same in the all words while arranging the letters in alphabetical order, we have to look at the second letter. If the second letter is also same, we have to look at the third letter and so on. Okay, children? So this is the second rule, children. Okay? It is not necessary that they come one exactly one after one. Here H will not come before exactly W. Okay, so like this we have to arrange. In such cases we have to move on to second letter when the beginning letter is same in the all the words. Okay, children, so what do you mean by alphabetical order? Alphabetical order is the arrangement of the words in a proper order. Okay, children, arrangement of the letters in the proper order is known as alphabetical order. Okay, children. Now look at the second question. Look at the second exercise part, children. So what is the second exercise part? Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Here we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So let us write the first one. So here let me write the first question. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. So here in first question we have the words pot, pot, pin, pin, pen, pen, pan, pan, pull, pull. Okay, children, look at these words. All the words are here starting with letter P. Okay, children. Here in these all the words in first main question, all the words are beginning with P letter. Okay, children. While arranging, if the beginning letter of the all the words is same, then we have to look at the second letter. In such cases, all the letter are same, we have to look at the second letter. Okay children, here all the letters are same, isn't it? All the letters are same in the all the words. So in such cases we have to move on to the second letter. So here we have O, I, E, A, U. U. Okay children, here we have O, I, E, A, U. So we have to arrange according to the second letter. Okay, let me write here O, I, E, A, U. So in alphabet, which letters come first, children? A. In alphabet, A to Z alphabet, which letters come first? A, then E, then I. Okay children, A, E, I, then O, then U. Okay children, in alphabet A letters come first, after A, E letter comes after E, I letter comes after I, O letter comes in the alphabet, after O, U letter comes in the alphabet. So according to these letters, we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay children, so first one A. So where is A? Here in the pan word. So what we have to write here? P, A, N, pan. First. Then after A, which letter is there? E. So what we have to write? P, E, N, pen. Okay, write down in textbook children. Start writing. First we have to write P-A-N, pan, because A comes first. After A we have to write E. P-E-N, pen. After E, what you have to write? I. P-I-N, pin. After I, which letter comes? O. So what we have to write? P-O-T, pot. Then after O, which letter comes? U. So what we have to write? P-U-L-L, pull. So like this, we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. In such cases, when the words, while arranging the words in alphabetical order, if the first beginning letters are same in all the words, then we have to move on. We have to look after the second letter. If the second letter is also same, we have to move on to the third letter. Here in these words, first letters are same, so we have moved to the second letter. According to the second letter, we have arranged here in alphabetical order. Okay children, start writing in your textbook. Write down these words in your textbook. In the second main question, first one. Pan, pen, pin, pot, pull. So we have arranged these words in alphabetical order. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this. So later on you can write it. Okay children? Pay attention in the classroom children. Don't play with such a things. Now look at the second main question children. Look at the second one. Look at the second one. In second one we have bulb, bat, bed, bowl and bib. Okay children, here in these words also all the first letters are same. In such cases we have to move on to the second letter of these words. So here we have the second letter U, A, E, O and I. such cases, we have to move on to the second letter. So let me write these. U, A, E, O, I. So which letter comes first, children? A. A after E. After E, which letter comes, children? I. Then O. Then U. So according to this, we have to arrange. So where is A? BAT, bat. Which letter comes first? A. So we have to write BAT, bat. Which letters come second? E. So we have to write BED, bed. Okay. Which letter comes third, children? I. Where is I? BIB, bib. And which is the fourth one? O. Where is O? BOWL, bow. After O, which letter comes? U. So where is U? Bulb. So like this, we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order according to the letters they starts with. If the first beginning letter is same in all the words, then we have to look at the second letter. Here, the second letters are U, A, E, O, I. So according to that, we have to arrange. First comes in alphabet A, second comes E, third comes I, fourth comes O, then U. So here bat, bed, bib, bowl and bulb. Okay, like this we have to arrange. Write in the textbook, children. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this so that later on you can write it. Now look at the third one, children. Look at the third one. Third one is axe, apple, act, eight, aeroplane. Axe, apple, act, eight and aeroplane. In these all the words, the beginning letter is again same. So we have to, in such cases, we have to move to the second letter. Here X, T, C, T, E. So let us write down X, A, P, C, T, E. In such cases, in alphabet, which letter comes first, children? C. After C, which letter comes? E. After E, children, which letter comes? P. Then fourth one, T. Then X. Okay, children. So like this. Now we are going to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So which letter comes first? C. So where is C here? In word act. So what we have to write here? Act. And which one is the second one? E. Where is E? Here in the aeroplane. So second one is aeroplane. Which is the third one, children? Which letter comes after E? P. So where is P? In the apple. Apple. And where is? Which one is the fourth one? T. So where is T? In the word A. And the next one, last one, X. After T, X. Aeroplane, apple, A, X. First one, C, E, P, T, X. So like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay children, so your today's homework is write same as classwork in textbook. So what is your today's homework children? You have to write same as classwork in your textbook. Okay, so this is your today's homework. Hope you all have understood today's class children. Let us meet in the next session. Now it is time to end our today's class. Hope you all have understood today's class. Okay children, now it is time to say bye-bye. Bye children.